Yes.
Okay, cool. So today we are going to use the polygon transformer to do work for us. Do you guys like having work done for us?
Yes.
Yes, we do. Okay, so I am going to show you how to use it. Everyone can see the polygon transformer on my screen? So the first thing you do is you put in your vertices up here in the top left. You can put in any. You just put in coordinates. We're going to go 3, 4. Why not? We can draw it. There you see it. Just a heads up, if you put in parentheses, it won't work. It just doesn't. So just don't use parentheses. You can do 1 vertice. You can do 2 vertices and get a line. You can do 3 vertices, get a triangle, and so on. And they will draw it in the order of A, B, C, D, like so. So once you have it, anytime you're done, I want to change it from a 4 vertice shape to the 3. You got to hit clear and draw. Then this guy will do all of our handy dandy transformations for us. We can translate it. Boom. You put in the points, you click translate, it'll move for us. Undo transformation. You can reflect it, which we'll learn soon. Boom. Like so. Clear, draw. And you can do what we're going to do today. You can rotate it. Rotate it 90 degrees, clockwise, counterclockwise. Everyone knows that CW is clockwise and CCW is counterclockwise. You can rotate it 180 degrees. You can rotate something, oh, you got to make sure to draw it, 90 degrees at a time and get all of them. And let me show you guys something that's going to make your life way easier and make these assignments go quicker. Not only can you draw your coordinates and rotate them, but you can click this handy dandy show coordinates button values, and it's going to show you what your A prime, B prime, and C prime coordinates are as well, which is going to make your guys' life so much easier and make things go quicker. So, first, does everyone know, we need to know this, we've got ABC, triangle ABC here. When I rotate it 90 degrees, it now has these little apostrophes. This means A prime, B prime, and C prime. And those mean that is our new image from our pre-image, and that this A prime corresponds to A. If I rotate it again, I'll get A double prime, B double prime, C triple prime. It's really simple, but everyone needs to know what that means when you encounter it, because otherwise you're going to be confused, which is understandable. Here we have A triple prime, B triple prime, C triple prime. And that is how you will refer to them when you list their coordinates or when you're talking about them. So before I add anything else, does anyone have any questions about how this guy works? No? Let me make sure I got all my points. Draw an order. Clear and start over. Know what A prime means. Oh, and then the last thing is sometimes you're going to encounter problems that say rotate something 90 degrees about the axis, and they don't say whether it's clockwise or counterclockwise. If they don't say, assume it means clockwise. Otherwise, they will specify. So that is how you're going to use this polygon transformer. I'm going to include the link here. But also, I'm going to send you guys a link for your first assignment today. I have a Google Doc here. I am going to share it with you guys without edit access because I don't want you guys to edit it. This is not an assignment you are going to turn in. I'll let you comment if you want. This is an assignment you are going to do in your notebook. If you don't have a notebook yet, I would like you to get a notebook. The reason why is because the summative for this unit is going to be a test that is open note. So you can use your notebook on the test. So please take out a notebook and I'm going to have you use the polygon transformer to first list the new points. You can go one at a time, but I suggest you make a triangle out of the first 3 points and then rotate it, and then a triangle out of the next 3 and rotate it, and write the new coordinates to make your life easier. And then you're going to write these rules. If you get confused about what I mean by the rules, what I am saying is, here you can take a look. I can give away the first one. I have these points. I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees around the axis. I'm going to show my coordinate values. A rotated into A prime went from 3, 4 to 4, -3. B to B prime went from 6, 8 to 8, -6. C to C prime went from 9, 2 to 2, -9. That is when I did a 90-degree clockwise rotation about the origin. So what you notice in all of these, what changes from either A, B, or C to A prime, B prime, and C prime is the X and Y values flip, and the X value becomes negative. So the way I would write that, which you're not going to have to do on this sheet, you're going to do in your notebook, is XY becomes Y -X. That is our rule. Okay? So I want you to do that for 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270. I want this in your notebook. Then when you're done, there is a short assignment that is very similar. This is to be turned in. This is on ManageBack. Yeah, it's due at 11:55 p.m. tonight. You can use the polygon transformer or not. It's up to you. And then at the very end at 12 or even 12:05, come back here. I want to do a brief wrap up. We're going to have a quick discussion before I send you off for the day. And I'm going to be on the Google Hangouts the entire period in case there are any there's any questions or confusion. So share, can comment, copy link. Here we go. Yes, I'm going to share the Google Doc right now. That's the Google Doc. I want everyone to use that for your notebook work. You don't need to write anything on it. The second homework, Kainoa, is on ManageBack right here. Calendar. You'll see it right there at 11:55 p.m. tonight. Practice with rotations. Okay? You guys have any other questions for me before I send you off?
How do we change the origin point? Where it spins from?
So actually the polygon transformer does not let you alter the center of rotation, but that's okay because we're going to use just the origin for now.
Okay, thank you.
It's annoying. I wish it did. Any other questions for me? That's the polygon transformer I just put in there. There's the Google Doc.
I don't think
Yes.
you sent the thing.
I haven't
What?
received
I
anything.
haven't received it yet.
It's not in the chat here.
No, the document. Oh,
I have a doc here in the chat. Docs.google.document, and then the transformer here. Do you guys not see that?
Oh, I got it. Never mind.
no, we do. It's
Oh, I
just
thought you
it didn't
shared it.
send an email.
What?
You shared it, but it didn't send an email.
Oh, I just sent you the link. You want an email too? I can give you an email too. Oh, I have to enter all of your email addresses individually. I'm not going to.
Oh no, I got.
You
I
just
got
say
it on my
2020.
drive.
Yeah, but then it sends it to all your parents and all the teachers. Also,
It's on your drive.
what?
Thank you.
Reggie got in trouble for doing that.
I already got scolded.
Wait, Reggie?
Yes.
Which assignment do we have to do? Like, which assignment
Both
do we
of
have to
them.
turn in? I mean,
The second one. Practice with rotations.
yeah, and that's on Desmos.
It's on ManageBack, and it's just a Google
Oh,
Doc.
it's on ManageBack. Okay, thanks.
Reggie,
Yeah,
can you
so
put the
just
link
this-
for the transformer?
I just give you 4. I'll send you the polygon transformer link again. There's also a link to it included in this document here. That polygon transformer link. Here it is again. This is the polygon transformer.
Reggie,
Boom. Yes.
how are you supposed to rotate the points if they're only 2 points? Are you supposed to make them into a triangle?
You don't need to. You see my screen? If I draw a line, I can still rotate the line.
Oh, okay. I get it.
Okay, I'm going to stop recording because if it's longer, it makes it more annoying for me to post it on YouTube.